So hello guys, welcome to Thropen Tutorials. So guys, let's now see the next problem. So here it is given that A is in M cross N full rank matrix with M greater than N, and I is an identity matrix. So let A plus denotes A transpose times A inverse whole inverse into A transpose. Then which of the following statement is false? So we are given four statements here. This question does look a bit lengthy, but it is really easy. See, from this given statement, we can write it as 1 by A transpose into A transpose, right? So A transpose get cancelled out. So we are left with A plus is equals to, we can write A inverse. This is the relation that we need to find out which of the following is false, right? See now, let's see the first one. See, A into A inverse, since A plus is equals to A inverse into A, it is given, it is A. See, we know A times, so guys, now A into A inverse, we know it is identity matrix, and A into any matrix is equal to A, right? So therefore A is equals to A, right? This is equals to I, so A into I is A. So the first statement which is here, it is true. Then the second statement, it is A into A plus, that is A plus is equals to A inverse. We just find it out. So we just found out that A plus equals to A inverse. So A into A inverse whole square, we know this is I, so I square is basically I, and A into A inverse, which is also I, so I square is equals to I, which is also true. Then again here we know that A plus is equals to A inverse, so A inverse into A is equal to I, which is true, so this is also true. Now the last statement is A into A plus into A equals to A plus. So we need to check whether LHS is equals to RHS. See, now A plus is equals to A inverse, so A, in place of A plus we can write A inverse into A. Now see, A times A inverse is I, so A into I is equal to A matrix. But here on the right hand side we have A plus, which is equals to A inverse, and we know that this is not true. A is not equal to A inverse, so therefore the correct option is option D, right? Since in the question it is asked which one of the following statement is false, so that's it.